Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard. Today, I will be reading an article from Danny Martin Girard. His work can be found at dannygs.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Being steadfast. What happens when we walk into an exam room completely oblivious and not prepared with what will be on the exam? We feel anxious, we doubt ourselves, and we worry about not passing the exam, which is normal because we haven't studied. Same goes with life and the challenges we face on a daily basis, along with the goals we set for ourselves. If we're not prepared and ready to withstand the challenges of life, we risk failing and giving up altogether. We've heard the saying, mindset changes everything. So if we're completely oblivious on how to handle the obstacles on our path, how do we not waver? How can we believe in our well-being or prosperity if we're not confident and we have no reason to believe in ourselves? We all need wisdom in life to make good choices and to become the greater version of ourselves. Without wisdom, we have no guidance or direction, and it's the circumstances and experiences in life that will decide for us. Having the right mindset means focusing on our source and the solution. It can be health challenges, relationship challenges, career challenges, or any future endeavors. If we don't spend time refocusing on our thoughts or reflecting, we will be clueless when we face the trials of life. Then we end up failing, when a little bit of contemplation and refocusing would have changed the course. Only when we focus on the solution and we prepare ourselves mentally by changing our thoughts, we are able to handle whatever comes our way. We can have all the knowledge in the world, but if we lack wisdom and we don't know how to handle adversities and challenges, the knowledge won't do any good. We've heard the parable of the two men who built their houses. One of them built his house on a rock, while the other one built his house on the sand. When the storm came in, the house on the rock was still standing, while the house on the sand fell. The parable says, we are to build our house on a rock to withstand the storm. This simply means being prepared and solid to withstand times of adversity by immersing ourselves in the truths that govern humanity. All we need is a few minutes every day devoted to our spiritual relationship with ourselves. 5, 10, or 15 minutes of meditation or refocusing allows us to face challenges in life with greater ease and wisdom, and the adversity isn't as overwhelming. When we are prepared for the exam, we're confident and successful. Same applies in life and the everyday challenges and the opportunities for growth. If we devote time for our wellness and growth, we will be confident and successful in life. The adversity will teach us valuable insight that will be beneficial for the next challenge or endeavor. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was so powerful. I love this article. And I hope everybody else enjoyed this article as much as I have. And until next week, I hope you have a beautiful week. And from the bottom of my heart and Danny's heart, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful week.